Good morning, children. Yesterday we had solved a few numericals from the lesson equilibrium in the Zoom class. Today in part 6 we will see predicting the direction of the reaction. Equilibrium constant helps us in predicting the direction in which a given reaction will proceed at any stage. Direction means kya beta? Either forward reaction or reverse reaction. So it predicts the direction of the reaction. To predict the direction of the reaction, a new term, that is Q, that is known as reaction quotient, is calculated. QC means reaction quotient with molar concentration, and similarly QP means reaction quotient with partial pressure, just like equilibrium constant. But concentration in QC are not necessarily equilibrium values. KC क्या है बेटा? Equilibrium पे होता है, but concentration in QC जरूरी नहीं है कि it is at equilibrium values. Now if a general reaction we take, so A, B, B is equal to C, C, D, D. Q is calculated by C raised to C, D raised to D, A raised to A, B raised to B, right? If QC is greater than KC, you understood? If QC value is greater than equilibrium constant, then reverse reaction, that is reaction proceeds in direction of reactant, ulta reaction will be there. If QC is smaller than KC, then direction of products, that is forward reaction. Okay. If QC is equal to KC, so it is already in equilibrium state. You can understand this with a very interesting example cited in the NCERT, that is H2 plus I2 is equal to HI, all three are in gaseous state. KC is given, that is 57 at 700 Kelvin. So concentration of H2 is equal to 0.10, concentration of IT is 0.20 molar, and concentration of HI, that is hydrogen iodide, is 0.40 molar. ये T लिखा है, that means at a time T, ठीक है, कोई particular time T. So at time T, but it is not necessary at equilibrium, you understood? So QC has to be calculated. QC is equal to, HI raised to 2 upon this into this is equal to concentration of HI divided by concentration of H2 divided by concentration of I2. So it gives you 4 4 just 16. So it will give you 8, the value 8. So KC is already given in the question, that is 57. And QC we have got 8. As we see, 8 is much smaller than KC, 57. So what will happen? अभी क्या बताया? When QC is smaller than KC, then what will happen? Reaction of product, direction of products, yani more products will be formed, correct? So here 8 is smaller than 57. So what will happen? More products will form. So more H2 and I2 will react to form HI, and concentration will decrease. Concentration किसका? Concentration of reactants, that is H2 and I2 will decrease till QC will become equal to KC. Equilibrium is attained. So in this way we understand there is a difference between QC and KC, and QC predicts the direction of the reaction, whether the direction is forward direction, that is reactant to product, or reverse direction, that is product to reactants. Factors affecting equilibria. प्राइम ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है बेटा? किसी भी रिएक्शन का प्राइम ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? टू गेट द मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्ट एट द एक्सपेंस ऑफ मिनिमम एनर्जी. अंडरस्टूड? मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्ट एट द एक्सपेंस ऑफ मिनिमम एनर्जी मीन्स मैक्सिमम यील्ड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स एट low temperature or mild temperature and pressure. So less temperature and pressure should be provided. Now one principle comes for the reactions, that is known as Le-Chatelier's principle. It states that a change in any of the factors that determine the equilibrium condition of system will cause the system to change in such a manner so as to reduce or to counteract the effect of change. यानी जो भी factors reaction को alter करते हैं, the factors which alter the equilibrium condition, उसमें अगर कोई change आता है, जो भी factors हैं, तो a change in any of the factors which causes the equilibrium condition to change, तो it causes the system to change in such a manner so as to reduce or counteract the effect of change. उस change को counteract करने का एक system अपने आप से approach करता है. Like effect of concentration change. When the concentration of any of the reactant or product in a reaction at equilibrium is changed. Concentration any of the reactant or product is changed, then what will happen? The composition of the equilibrium mixture changes so as to minimize the effect of concentration. Equilibrium, like एक एग्जाम्पल अगर बताएं तो Fe3 plus SCN minus will give FeSCN2 plus. ठीक है. What is this? ये कैसा है? Iron 3 nitrate. What is the formula of iron 3 nitrate बेटा? FeNO3 thrice. FeNO3 thrice. in iron 3 nitrate. And इसमें से iron 3 plus ion निकला. And potassium thiocyanate, that is KSCN, potassium thiocyanate. So इसका solution से K plus और SCN minus अलग हो गया. So K positive ion and negative ion. The color of the Fe3 plus ion is yellow and this is colorless. But they both formed iron thiocyanate, that is complex, and it is deep red in color. Nutshell में the reaction is 2 drops of 0.002 molar potassium thiocyanate solution is added to 1 ml 0.2 molar iron 3 nitrate. They both will react and the reddish color appears. Why? Because of the formation of iron thiocyanate complex. Iron thiocyanate complex. So here Kc will be calculated by concentration of iron thiocyanate divided by Fe3 plus into SCN minus thiocyanate ion, and here it is Fe3 plus ion. दोनों का concentration से divide करेंगे. But so red color is produced. अब on equilibrium, intensity of red color will become constant. You know, equilibrium is being attained either by adding a reactant or a product. Equilibrium को disturb किया जा सकता है. Either by adding a reactant or product, the equilibrium can be shifted. You know. So if oxalic acid, that is H2C2O4, is added, then what will happen? It reacts with Fe3 plus ions to form stable complex, that is FeC2O4 3 minus. अब ध्यान से समझो कि इस Fe3 plus ion से react कर लिया oxalic acid ने, तो it is now less available to react. When it is less available to react, then less product will be formed. Deep red color will not be obtained. So it is only written here, if oxalic acid H2C2O4 is added, then it reacts with Fe3 plus ion to form stable complex ion FeC2O4 3 minus. So concentration of free Fe3 plus aqueous is decreased. Now less Fe3 plus will be available for the reaction. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू अब कैसा बताया कि अगर एनी ऑफ द फैक्टर इज चेंज्ड इन इक्विलिब्रियम तो वो उसको काउंटर अटैक करता है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू लैच-एटेलियस प्रिंसिपल व्हाट विल हैपन, जो ये प्रोडक्ट है ना बेटा, नाउ लेस Fe3 प्लस इज अवेलेबल. सो नाउ टू काउंटर अटैक दिस चेंज, द चेंज इन इक्विलिब्रियम इज नाउ शिफ्टेड. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस कॉम्प्लेक्स विल ब्रेक and it will release Fe3 plus ion. For why? To give the reaction back. Less Fe3 plus हो गया था, तो अब ये इसको counter attack करने के लिए this will provide Fe3 plus ion. So it will dissociate. It is written only. So according to Lech-Atelius principle, dissociation of FeCN2 plus ion will take place to replenish the Fe3 plus ion. Means to provide the Fe3 plus ion. As concentration of FeSCN2 plus is decreased, so red color will not be obtained. So intensity of red color decreases. Same thing is observed when aqueous HgCl2 mercurous chloride is added, then the decreased red color is obtained. So I hope you are clear that if concentration, इसको समझना कैसे है कि if any of the factor, now you read this, it states that Le Chatelier's principle, it states that a change in any of the factors, like हमने इस अपने रिएक्शन में क्या चेंज किया था, Fe3+ आयन का अनअवेलेबल कर दिया, कम कर दिया, वाई बाय पुटिंग द H2C2O4. तो the change in any of the factors that determine the equilibrium condition of a system will cause the system to change in such a manner. तो उसको डिफीट करने के लिए क्या किया सिस्टम ने, जो वो कॉम्प्लेक्स बना था रेड कलर का, वो खुद से ब्रेक हो गया, इट गॉट ब्रोकन, डिसोसिएटेड, एंड इट प्रोवाइडेड Fe3+ आयन टू गिव द कंटिन्यू द रिएक्शन towards the equilibrium. So in that case, if this will be dissociated, so deep red color will not be observed or the color intensity will decrease. Clear? So tomorrow I will tell you another factors which determine the equilibrium constant and or which affect the equilibrium constant.